What up, Hunty? Welcome back to Way of Yao. My name is Yao and it's a pleasure to see you all. So guys, as you know, Valentine's Day is coming up very soon in a few days. So this is a tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. But before we get into that, I wanted to thank you for the love and support you showed me on my most recent video. And you guys seem to really love it. So I'm excited to be back and excited to be filming and to be pushing out content. So we will be filming a Valentine's look. So hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So for the eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Instant Anti-Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. I've literally been using this for the longest time. I used to use a darker shade, but this one I find does give you more pigment payoff and it shows up the colour more true to colour because it's a much lighter concealer. So I'm just going to pop that on the eye. Very light. Kind of too light if you ask me. Yeah, I'm gonna mix a little bit of my concealer from Gosh. This is the high coverage concealer in the shade Honey. This is just gonna help to balance it out so it's not so light. If you're going for more of a natural look, then it's, you know, cute to go for more of a skin tone shade, but if you do want those colours to really pop, you wanna go quite a bit lighter. Base blended. Now we're gonna go in with this matte liquid lipstick from Makeup Forever. It's a really nice purple shade. It is in the shade 501. Yeah. Oh, she is pigmented, darling. She is definitely pigmented. Halfway. Because over here we're gonna be doing pink. So you guys are probably wondering, yeah, who's your Valentine's? Oh, spill the tea, spill the beans. Well, there isn't one. Also guys, as you know, certain functions are coming up as well, you know, festival season, Coachella, all of those different things. So let me know down below if there's any specific occasion that you'd want to see me create a look for, because you know I got you girls and we always want to come through slaying, serving a look. I'm trying to decide which pink I want to use. We're gonna go with the Kvdveganbeauty pink lipstick. This is called Backstage Bambi. Whoa. Pigment. Doll. She is pigmented, honestly. And that is why I love using matte liquid lipsticks as my base. When I tell you that the pigment they provide is mad. Let me zoom you in. Once again for this look, taking it up pretty high. Then I'm gonna go back into the previous brush just to blend the purple and pink together. Oh, do you see how that just, oh, seamless, darling. So off camera, I was deciding which palette I wanted to go in with and I've settled for this palette. I thought, why not introduce a new brand to the channel? I don't think I've spoken about this brand, and this is Pinky Rose. This is their Bright Lights palette. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of the inside. Oh, pigment. Literally, this is screaming my name. I've already like gone into the green, the blue, the purple, the pink. Like these colors have been used. So this is what we're gonna be dipping into. We're gonna be using both the pink and the purple. And instantly, pigment received. Honestly, this is such a beautiful palette. Now dipping into Becky, we're gonna be going on the outside. Just, oof, oh, pigment! This palette, the second I saw it, I knew it was gonna like, duh. And then I'm marinating it with the purple. So I kind of want them to meet halfway down the eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, as you do. Gonna go quite high. So I'm gonna do the other side now and I'll be back in the rolling mode. Now we've cut the crease. The biggest tip I can give to you guys when packing on color is to make sure that you blend out the base before you go and pack that color on top. When I tell you it's going to be so much smoother, it's going to be so much smoother. So going into that pink now, we're going to do like a reverse. How we did purple here, pink there, we're going to do pink here, purple there. You get the drift. So I'm going to go ahead and start packing. Yesterday I actually went to an event. It was a Huda Beauty event. She basically released her skincare line, so I'm super excited to try it. It was a glow, it's like almost like a very light exfoliator, and it contains pineapple, so it's going to help to brighten the skin as well. So I'm excited to try that. In fact, let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see like a skincare tutorial, because to be honest with you, I don't think that my skin looks as amazing as some people make out. Like some people are like, oh my god, your skin. I'm like, why are you lying? Do you know what I mean? I don't know. That was a super cute event. Everything was pineapple themed. But if any of you don't follow me on the gram, that is where you're going to see like me at events and me at different things. For example, tomorrow there's a dinner. That'll be cute. If any of you guys are not following me over there, make sure to follow me over there and get all of the latest tea, darling. Now we're going to be dipping back into that purple shade, and I'm just going to be popping that on the outer part of the eye. Use a thin liner brush, and I'm just going to create little hearts. So I'm just perfecting my love hearts. Perfect. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take my white liquid liner. This is from Stargazer. This, in my opinion, is the best white liquid liner that I have tried. A lot of them crack, and I've tried a lot, you know, and this one definitely does the job, so a fan. To intensify the white, we're going to make it really white with the liner. I'm going to take the liner and basically create a line along the actual cut crease. So the eye look is more or less complete, apart from the inner corners, which we will do once we have our base on. Moving on to the skin, I'm going to be using this Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. This is from Glow Recipe. Literally, it smells amazing. It smells so amazing, and it actually does feel really nice on the skin as well. Like, it literally smells like banana, no cap. Like, it smells literally like banana. All of their products have a special scent to them. So they have like a banana, they have a pineapple, like, is it serum or something? And it literally smells like pineapple. First, we need to take our baby wipe to clean up the corners of the eyeshadow. Just like that. Now for our primer, a product that I'm going to dip into the archives for is the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. Literally not used this in such a long time. I think I've probably even used it maybe twice, but I don't know. I was just looking at what primers to use and it caught my eye. Still smells like glue. But yeah, I'm sure it still does a really good job. I would say that with this, it really does help your makeup to cling and stick on if you have problems with that. Time for foundation. I'm going to be using the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation and my favourite beauty sponge. This is actually from Kiko. This I've been using for a very long time, and I love the shape of this sponge because you can set your nose with this one and really get a precise set. You can really get this in on, literally, it's just perfect. And then if you do want to, like, you know how some people do on the sides of the nose, dip it in some powder. You can literally just boom on the side of your nose and on the other. Amazing. You know how, like, before every single brand was releasing a new foundation? It was like so overwhelming, like, here's a foundation, here's a foundation. Like, how many foundations can I put on my face, sister, right? So you know how that was happening. I feel as though now it's kind of the opposite. I'm not really seeing as many foundations being launched. That's what I was saying. I don't know if it's that they're not being launched or if I'm just not receiving it, but I'm definitely not seeing as many foundations out and about, which is interesting. I feel as though a lot of people have their favourites and what they like, you know, if they're going for a natural beat, they're going for a full-on beat. Like, this is my full coverage foundation forever. So we're going to go and try a brand new product. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. This is in the shade C14.5. Oh, that is rich. That is rich. This is actually quite a nice colour. I wonder if they do these in the longer tube, because you know how they brought out the original Conceal and Define concealers and then they did it in the super size. So I'm hoping they bring these in the super size as well. I love a bright concealer. Stunning! Literally, it blends out like a dream. It's giving me that coverage. I don't even feel like I need to go in with another layer, but I don't know, the Yao in me just is like, oh, put more on. I don't even know why. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. I'm gonna use a little bit of a lighter shade as well, just to make sure that the under eye is bright and popping tone. So as you can see, I went ahead and set the base. I actually used my ebony powder on the perimeters of my face because it's the darkest powder I've been able to find. So as you can see, it matches my neck somewhat decent. So that's really cute. And then I used my Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Cinnamon Bun for the center of the face. And with a look like this, I just had to give you a little blush moment. So we're going to be dipping into the Opv Born To Shine blush palette. I believe this is their brand new palette. And oh my god, the shades in this palette are stunning. Stunning. This vibrant pink shade here is what I'm leaning towards for this look, but this one is also quite cute because there's a little bit of shimmer to it as well, which we love. And any skin tone can use this as well. As you can see, you've got light, you've got dark, you've got more peachy, pinky, orangey, sun-kissed. Oh, just gorgeous palette. And I'm really getting into blush recently. I've not been using it like before, but I'm living for it now, darling. Oh, see, when there's like a really cute blush, I get emotional. Like, this blush is actually gorgeous. I mean, I wouldn't wear this pink of a blush on a day-to-day basis, but girl, it's Valentine's, so why not? Feel peachy, feel your oats. Now for highlight, I wanted to use something different. This is my Ofra palette. I've actually, oh, you can't see that well, but let me just open up and show you the inside. I've actually had this for quite some time. This dark shade in this multi is calling my name. I tried a little bit on my chin and girl, we are beaming. So this is what we're gonna go in with. This one was too silver despite it looking champagne-y. This one I can already see is gonna be too light. You know, whereas that shade, that bronze, is really gonna give me my light. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. Wow. And when I look at you straight on, it's not like you can see the whole strip, but when I turn, you're like, whoa. I actually really like this shade. And I wish this was in a single. I'm gonna have a look and see if they have a single. Maybe I could get me one because this is actually a really nice highlighter. I've had this for months. I could have maybe had this for 6 months, not gonna lie, or more. Oh, it's blinding, oh my god. And I don't even usually wear highlighters like this anymore. Like recently I've been going for more of a subtle blended look, but this is gonna make me revert, honey. So I feel like I just need to go straight in and set my face. So I don't want it to look this dry for too long. So I'm gonna go and use the Kvdveganbeauty Lock-it setting spray. I do like the results it gives your skin. However, when you spray it, it leaves you with like dots of liquid. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Okay. Now I don't know if you can see what I mean, but it leaves you with like larger bits of liquid. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see it. But basically that's what really annoys me. Like, what if one of those dollops fall on your eye makeup? Like, how is that gonna affect it? Yeah, it literally comes out of the nozzle so fine. It's like such a fine mist. And then you've got these massive raindrops. It's like raindrops on my skin. Like, that should not be happening. So now to accentuate the inner corners, I'm gonna take my white liner and pop that in there. I always feel as though it's a little bit too thick. So sometimes I like to go in with a thinner brush. Literally, you have to stand an inner corner. So I'm using the exact same lipsticks that I used on the eyes. Blend the two together. Now you've got to be careful because what we're gonna do is we're gonna do reverse. Just like how we did reverse on the top and then on the bottom, we're gonna do that on the lip. So pink, purple, purple, pink, right? Sorry for the noise outside, literally, they're just having a ball. There you go. You just gotta make sure now that your top and bottom lip don't touch each other, so I'm gonna stop talking and just watch, right? Because I don't want it to touch each other, it will mess up the whole look. Now I'm just setting the colours with the shadow to make sure it doesn't transfer and make sure that it's matte as possible. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna take the Hank and Henry Duo Clout Mascara. You have this side here which is thicker. I showed you this one in my last video actually, but I'm gonna actually use it in this video. Then you have this thinner side. So what I literally do is I just literally go in, take it as close to the lash line as I can, hold it there, and then wiggle it out. And I don't do this to like make my eyelashes really long. I barely have eyelashes, they're so small. It wouldn't make sense, like there's only so much volume I can get. So I literally just do this so that when I put my falsies on, they'll blend really nicely. Or, you know, if you're going for a natural day and you've done, you know, foundation and powder and it's all on your lashes and your lashes are looking all brown, this is perfect for you. And then I like to go above the lashes also. Now it's time for the very last step, which is adding lashes. I'm gonna use just a random pair of lashes and I will come back with the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I let my hair down, I'm serving you a little Dior moment or whatever, and I hope you are living for this look. Also, for anybody who is celebrating Valentine's Day, have an amazing day. Have an amazing, amazing day. Get it poppin', sis. And let me know how it goes. Let me know down in the comment section what you would like to see in my future videos. Like the video if you enjoyed it, if it was fun, if it made your day, and send it to anybody else who might like this video as well and you feel just need to see my face. A lot of people often comment, oh, why have you not blown up, why have you not, do you know what I mean? So I just think that if you wanna, you know, help me out or whatever, share it, share it, share it. That is the best way to like support, you know, like, comment, share, so more people can see it. So that would mean the world to me. And on that note, I'm gonna take this off and get on with my day. And on that note, ciao from Yao.